Mysticism is a profound and often elusive topic that invites exploration into the deeper aspects of existence. Understanding mystics is significant in our world as they offer unique insights into the nature of reality, spirituality, and the interconnectedness of all beings. Their perspectives can inspire personal growth and a greater understanding of our own spiritual journeys. To recognize a mystic, one can look for 10 distinguishing signs: a deep sense of inner peace, heightened intuition, a profound connection to nature, an ability to see beyond the ordinary, a commitment to self-reflection, a tendency to question societal norms, a passion for exploring the unknown, an openness to different spiritual practices, a compassionate heart, and a desire to share wisdom with others. Engaging with these signs not only helps identify mystics but also encourages viewers to embark on their own journey of self-discovery. By reflecting on these traits, individuals can cultivate their own spiritual awareness and embrace the transformative power of mysticism in their lives, ultimately leading to a richer, more meaningful existence. To explore the essence of being a mystic, it is essential to consider the historical context and societal perceptions surrounding them. Throughout history, mystics have often been viewed with a mix of reverence and skepticism, seen as both enlightened individuals and outliers challenging conventional beliefs. Their unique qualities set them apart on a spiritual journey, characterized by deep introspection, a quest for truth, and an unwavering commitment to understanding the divine. Mystics often possess an innate ability to transcend ordinary experiences, seeking profound connections with the universe and the cosmos. This connection is not merely intellectual, it is felt deeply within, as they perceive the interconnectedness of all existence. Mystics often describe their experiences in poetic terms, conveying a sense of unity with the cosmos that transcends language. Their journeys are marked by moments of clarity and insight, revealing the mysteries of life and existence. By embracing their unique perspectives, mystics invite others to explore their own spiritual paths, encouraging a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it, ultimately fostering a sense of wonder and connection to the greater whole. The first sign of being a mystic is a profound sense of connection, which manifests as an intense feeling of interconnectedness with nature and the universe. Mystics often experience this bond as a deep awareness that all living beings and elements of the cosmos are intricately linked. This connection transcends the physical realm, allowing them to perceive the underlying unity that binds everything together. Emotionally, this sense of interconnectedness brings about feelings of peace, love, and compassion, fostering a deep empathy for others and the environment. Spiritually, it opens pathways to greater understanding and enlightenment, as mystics recognize their place within the grand tapestry of existence. This unity influences a mystic's daily life in numerous ways. They may find joy in simple moments, such as observing a sunset or listening to the rustle of leaves, feeling a part of something much larger than themselves. Their decisions often reflect a commitment to harmony and sustainability, as they strive to live in alignment with the natural world. Ultimately, this profound sense of connection shapes their worldview, guiding them toward a life of purpose, mindfulness, and deep appreciation for the beauty of existence. The second sign of being a mystic is possessing a powerful inner guidance system, which distinguishes itself from ordinary intuition. While many people experience fleeting gut feelings, a mystic's inner voice is characterized by a profound clarity and unwavering certainty that transcends rational thought. This inner guidance often emerges during moments of stillness and reflection, providing insights that feel deeply resonant and transformative. Trusting this inner voice is crucial for mystics, as it serves as a compass on their spiritual journey, leading them toward deeper truths and authentic experiences. By cultivating a relationship with this guidance, mystics learn to navigate life's complexities with confidence and grace, often finding themselves drawn to paths that align with their higher purpose. This trust fosters a sense of surrender, allowing them to embrace the unknown and remain open to new possibilities. As they follow this inner guidance, mystics often encounter profound revelations and synchronicities that further illuminate their spiritual path. Ultimately, this powerful inner guidance shapes their journey, encouraging them to explore the depths of their being and connect with the divine, enriching their understanding of themselves and the universe. The third sign of being a mystic involves encounters with transcendent experiences, which are profound moments that elevate one's consciousness beyond ordinary reality. These experiences often manifest as feelings of unity, deep peace, or overwhelming love, allowing individuals to glimpse a higher state of existence. The impact of such encounters can be life-altering, as they challenge conventional perceptions of reality and invite mystics to question the limitations of the material world. In these moments, the boundaries between self and the universe dissolve, revealing a deeper interconnectedness that reshapes their understanding of life. This shift in perception can lead to a profound sense of purpose and clarity, as mystics recognize the significance of their spiritual journey. The transformative potential of transcendent experiences is immense. They often catalyze personal growth, prompting individuals to reassess their values, beliefs, and priorities. As mystics integrate these experiences into their lives, they may feel compelled to share their insights with others, fostering a sense of community and connection. Ultimately, these encounters serve as powerful reminders of the divine presence in everyday life, encouraging mystics to embrace their spiritual path with renewed vigor and commitment. The fourth sign of being a mystic is characterized by innate empathy and compassion, which profoundly shapes their interactions with others. Mystics possess an extraordinary ability to connect emotionally, often sensing the feelings and struggles of those around them. This deep emotional resonance allows them to understand others' experiences on a fundamental level, fostering a sense of shared humanity. Empathy plays a crucial role in their lives, as it not only enables them to offer support and comfort but also facilitates healing for both themselves and others. By genuinely listening and being present, mystics create safe spaces where individuals feel seen and valued, promoting understanding and connection. The broader implications of compassion in a mystic's life are significant. It drives them to advocate for social justice, environmental stewardship, and the well-being of all living beings. Their compassionate nature often inspires acts of kindness and service, reflecting a commitment to uplifting others. Ultimately, this innate empathy and compassion enrich the mystic's spiritual journey, reinforcing their understanding of interconnectedness and the importance of love in creating a more harmonious world. Through their actions, mystics embody the transformative power of compassion, inspiring others to cultivate similar qualities in their own lives. The fifth sign of a mystic is their pursuit of unconventional wisdom, which often draws them to ancient philosophies and esoteric teachings. Mystics are naturally attracted to the profound insights found in traditions that challenge mainstream beliefs, seeking knowledge that transcends the ordinary. This attraction stems from a deep desire to uncover truths that lie beyond societal norms, as they recognize that conventional wisdom may not fully capture the complexities of existence. By exploring diverse spiritual paths, including mysticism, alchemy, and Eastern philosophies, they expand their understanding of the universe and their place within it. This quest for truth is not merely intellectual, it is a transformative journey that shapes their spiritual development. As mystics integrate these unconventional teachings into their lives, they often experience profound shifts in perspective, leading to greater self-awareness and enlightenment. This wisdom encourages them to question assumptions, embrace uncertainty, and cultivate a deeper connection with the divine. The sixth sign of a mystic is their affinity for solitude and reflection, which is fundamentally different from loneliness. For mystics, solitude is a cherished state that allows for deep introspection and connection with the inner self, while loneliness often carries a sense of isolation and disconnection. In moments of solitude, mystics find the space to explore their thoughts, feelings, and spiritual questions without external distractions. This introspective practice often leads to profound insights, as they delve into the depths of their consciousness and uncover hidden truths about themselves and the universe. During these quiet moments, they may experience clarity and inspiration, gaining a deeper understanding of their purpose and the interconnectedness of all life. Solitude plays a crucial role in their spiritual growth, as it fosters a sense of inner peace and allows them to cultivate a stronger relationship with the divine. By embracing solitude, mystics can recharge their energies, reflect on their experiences, and integrate their learnings into their lives. The seventh sign of a mystic involves the exploration of altered states of consciousness, which serve as gateways to deeper spiritual insights. Mystics often seek these states through various practices such as meditation, breathwork, or even through natural substances, recognizing that they can transcend ordinary awareness and access profound levels of understanding. In these altered states, individuals may experience heightened perceptions, vivid visions, or a sense of unity with the universe, revealing truths that are often obscured in everyday life. The transformative effects of these experiences can be significant, leading to shifts in perspective, emotional healing, and a greater sense of purpose. Mystics often emerge from these journeys with newfound clarity and wisdom, which can profoundly influence their spiritual path. Importantly, mystics approach these altered states with deep reverence, understanding the sacredness of the experiences they encounter. They recognize that such explorations require respect and mindfulness, as they navigate the delicate balance between the known and the unknown. This reverence fosters a sense of responsibility, encouraging them to integrate the insights gained into their lives and share their wisdom with others, ultimately enriching their spiritual journey and the journeys of those around them. The eighth sign of a mystic is characterized by a profound sense of destiny or calling, which significantly shapes their life purpose. This calling often emerges as an inner conviction that guides them toward a specific path, compelling them to explore their spiritual gifts and share their insights with the world. Over time, this sense of calling may evolve, deepening as they gain experience and wisdom. Initially, it may manifest as a vague yearning for understanding, but as they engage with their spiritual practices, it often crystallizes into a clear mission that aligns with their values and passions. Mystics may take on various roles in service to others, such as teachers, healers, or advocates for social justice, using their unique gifts to uplift and inspire those around them. They often feel a responsibility to share their knowledge and experiences, fostering a sense of community and connection. This profound sense of destiny not only enriches their own lives but also serves as a beacon for others seeking guidance on their spiritual journeys. The ninth sign of a mystic involves the experience of mystical dreams and visions, which hold significant meaning in their spiritual journey. For mystics, dreams are not merely random occurrences, they are profound messages from the subconscious or the divine, offering insights and guidance that can illuminate their path. These experiences often provide clarity on personal dilemmas, spiritual questions, or even broader existential themes, allowing mystics to tap into a deeper understanding of themselves and the universe. The symbolism within these dreams and visions can be rich and layered, prompting mystics to engage in thoughtful interpretation to uncover the hidden meanings. This process of deciphering messages can lead to transformative insights, as they learn to trust their intuition and embrace the wisdom that arises from within. By reflecting on these experiences, mystics often find themselves inspired to make significant changes in their lives, aligning more closely with their true purpose. The 10th sign of a mystic is characterized by a profound love for mystical literature and art, which resonate deeply with their spiritual experiences. Mystics are often drawn to works that explore themes of transcendence, unity, and the divine, finding solace and inspiration in the words and images that reflect their own inner journeys. These literary and artistic expressions serve not only as sources of inspiration but also as validations of their mystical experiences, affirming that their feelings of connection and insight are shared by others throughout history. Engaging with mystical literature and art allows mystics to explore complex spiritual concepts and emotions, enriching their understanding of the divine and the human experience. This connection between art, literature, and the mystic's journey is profound. It fosters a sense of community among those who seek deeper truths and encourages the sharing of wisdom across generations. Through the lens of art and literature, mystics can articulate their experiences and insights, bridging the gap between the ineffable and the tangible.